Hey there, I want to show you how to create a smooth log drum pattern with just 4 easy to follow steps. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a log drum that has sustain. Okay, so we can play around with the length later on and you see why that matters. But for now, let me show you how to do that. So I'm just going to right click, that is on your log drum. Okay, this side is on right now. You right click it, then you open in editor, okay, and then you see this right here. So now I'm going to zoom in and select. It's just a little bit of it. Okay, you should have like 3 up, that is 3 nodes up, okay, and then 3 troughs, that is 3 crests, 3 troughs, okay, and then we'll play it in loop mode. It should sound smooth like that. Okay, there should be no clicks or no pops when you loop it up. Okay, and if you're having trouble selecting it, you can click this snap icon. Make sure it's snapped to 0 crossing, all right, so that you can select it better. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to come to this icon right here and we're going to come to set loop. So it creates a loop for us. We're going to zoom out or just drag it out like this, then Control A everything, that is select everything, open your channel rack, then we're going to drag and drop this into the channel rack. So you can see now we have a log drum that has sustain. So we're going to use this envelope tool so that we can control how long we want the note to last and how short it should stay. Yes, so it's going to have that. All right, so now we're going to also make sure it's in stretch mode, and then we can now play our log drum pattern. So for step 2, we're going to create a very simple pattern sticking within our chord scale. Okay, how I did this was just turning on my ghost notes and copying my chord progression and pasting them across different octaves, the 3rd octave, the 4th octave, and the 5th octave. Okay, so this will make it easier for you to know your chord progression. That is, notes that make up your chord progression, because we want to play the notes of the log drum within it. Alright, so now this is a simple pattern. All right, I'm just going to copy this across and we're going to play with that some more soon. Okay, so now we're going to move some notes across different octaves. Okay, for example, I can move this note to a lower octave. I can also move this to a lower octave. Or I can move one of it. Now for the 4th step, I'm going to create some log drum rolls and also play with some of the notes quantization as well. So I'm going to first of all start with a quarter step. create another row here. I think I'll take this one out. So this I play my log drum, sometimes the notes are not as much as this, okay? But this is to show you an elaborate way I make it, okay? You can make the note less, you can make the rows more frequent or less frequent. And some log drums don't even have rows in them at all, okay? So it's up to you, to modify this to fit your own project. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Cheers.